Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily add social media buttons for your Shopify store. And let's just start. First, what you want to do is just click here on online store and be in your theme. Now what you want to do is click customize. What you need to understand, guys, that every theme is different, but most of them have already implemented social media buttons. And honestly, if your theme doesn't have it, use different theme. Like, I don't have any words for that. So now when you're here, you want to click on theme settings and click here on social media. So you are going to have like social media sharing options. What this means is when I'm going to click on a product, it's this, that you can share it, right? So what you want to do now is just add links here. And let's say I have Instagram, Facebook. Let's go to Pinterest. I just copy paste it. What you want to do is just add there your own business, own whatever, you know how it works. So, and as you can see, I can see it right here. If I'm going to delete Pinterest, if I'm going to add Tumblr here, we need to wait until it loads. Yeah, do you see it, right? So this is how we actually do it. I recommend it also to be in a footer and not header. Like there is no single site which has it in header. So you have it here, down here, which is perfect place for it, what I think. And I recommend it to be here. And easy to click, easy to navigate yourself. And it's quite simple, I think. So then what you want to do is just click save. And voila, you got it. And again, if you want to just delete something or edit, same thing, theme settings and social media. And yeah, so this is how we actually do it. And this is how it is. If you have any questions about social media buttons, ask down below in the comments. Of course, like guys, as I mentioned in the beginning, every site is different. Every site works in different way. Never forget that. So, and if it doesn't have, and if you got like some perfect, I don't know, 100, 200 IQ site with multiple features, maybe you will find it somewhere else. But most of them have it right here. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.